Hi guys, today's video tutorial will guide you on how to change your Chrome download location. Open up the Chrome browser in your PC, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen to access the menu. Locate and click on settings. Once the settings page is opened, on the left hand side of the settings page, click on downloads. Now, once it is opened, you click on the change button beside location. A pop-up window will appear. You scroll through and select your new download location. You can either choose to download it in desktop, downloads, documents, and many others. Once you've selected your new download location, you click on select files. Now, when you download files, videos, or images, it will show up in your newly set up locations. You can also choose to toggle the switch to off show download when they are done. That's it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more video content. See you soon guys.